Another day, another weekend of bowling. We're here in Rohnert Park, California. Might be familiar to some of you. The women's tour comes here every so often. I think the US Open was here. But we got the Shannon Cannon back.
What's up?
And we've got practice session at 10 a.m. The bowling center is really close to the hotel, which is nice. Then we bowl 8 games of qualifying after that. And then there's a Pro-Am tonight that we don't know if we're bowling or not yet. We'll see, stay tuned, and we'll see you at the bowling center. What do we think so far?
I don't know, I've thrown 2 shots.
Oh. Any gut instincts?
Probably gonna have to stay a little farther right today. Definitely. Closer to the gutter. I don't think they're gonna be too steep to start with, so definitely shut angles down to start.
I'm feeling extra surface based on what I'm seeing.
Yeah, I think so. So we might have to hit this with 500 pad and see what it does. So.
Okay.
Yeah, yes sir. Miss is definitely right.
Alright, practice session done. We're waiting for the oiling machine to get done. There's still like 4 more pairs, so we got a little bit of time. As expected, urethane balls look pretty good. I brought a Zen Master. Haven't thrown that ball since I shot the ball video. What, man? Hey, you want to say hi to the people?
Hi.
Who are you? Who's your dad?
Who are you, Coop?
Your dad's a nobody, right?
No.
You're the guy.
You're a nobody.
I am a nobody. You're the star of the show.
Yeah, I am.
Alright. Well, that's PJ Haggerty's son. He's gonna be a legend. How many hands do you use when you bowl?
2.
It's the future. Anyways, hitting my balls with a bunch of surface, like normal, and then hopefully all the pins fall down. A lot of times. Alright, hey look, it's Anthony. I think he's even. I'm like 40 and change over, a couple 220s, not great, potential is high. They're not super hard, but it's hard to get the pin or the ball to the pins the right way. So just trying to figure that out. I'm gonna go to reactive now. Tried 2 different ones at the tent. They both struck, both were left off my hand. That's a good sign. Just kind of grinding. We got 5 games to go. I am now 140 and change over. I feel like I'm still kind of underachieving. Scores are, some guys are hitting it, some guys aren't, but I need to hit it harder, you know? Just making some silly mistakes. We're kind of cruising, but maybe we just gotta lock in and, you know, try to get into that next gear for the next few. But that does take a toll on you mentally. You know, trying to be locked in for that long. Maybe we'll just cruise and enjoy the last 3 games, and maybe that'll work. Alright, we got 240 something over. I have no idea where that puts us. It's not my best work, but I think Fitz is leading, and that's who we were crossing with. He pulled a really good day. I think he got 300 and something over. So we're going to be a little behind him, but a lot of games tomorrow. I think we're going to have to bowl the Pro-Am tonight. But you've seen plenty of Pro-Ams in the past, so I think I'm going to cut it short here. Yeah, 12 games tomorrow. We're bowling the finals. We got another shot, another opportunity. Grateful for the opportunities, of course. I threw urethane, Zen Master that I haven't thrown in forever, probably since I shot the ball videos, and physics, my special physics, special ball. That was the killer at the end. Got about 500 over the last 2, which was really nice for the scorecard. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. We appreciate it, and I'll see you tomorrow for the finals.